Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. I am Ram. Alright, so the next is a bivalent analysis where I am going to compare between the two categorical variable and find out the relationship. So in this particular case, this is the bivariant analysis between two categorical feature. So my feature is here is the total number of categorical feature is a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In this particular case, I am going to make one function, and with help of this function, I will plot this particular plot. So def stick bar chart feature 1, feature 2, step, and this is the pd dot cross tab df of features 1 and df of feature 2 and step dot plot with respect to kind is nothing, the bar stick it is true. Plot dot title of this particular plot is stick bar chart between feature 1 versus feature 2, and plot dot x level is nothing, this is the feature 1 and the categorical feature is here is df of gender, race, ethnicity, parental level of education and lunch, then finally the test preparation course. For feature 1 in categorical features, for feature 2 in categorical features, if feature 1 not equal to feature 2, then stick bar chart with feature 1 and feature 2. Hopefully it will work. Yes. The first plot is with respect to the gender versus gender, and then the second plot is a stick bars between the genders and genders, and then again is a race ethnicity versus race ethnicity. These are comparing each others, and then another plot is also there, stick for the race ethnicity, then parental level of education versus parental level of educations. These are all plots. This is a bivariant analysis with respect to the categorical variable. So the now is a bivariant analysis with respect to the numerical variable. So in this particular case, I will take the two numerical variable and will be find out the relationship between each others. So plot dot figure fixed size with respect to 12 and 6, plot dot scatter plot, and then data is nothing, dfx is score, and then y is reading score, and finally color is green. Title of and then the title of this particular bar is the plot.titles and math score versus reading score plot dot, and the next level is math score and plot dot y level. Y level is a reading score and plot dot show. So this is with respect to this, and now I need to say the plot dot figure fixes 12 6 plot dot scatter plot. Data is a dot scatter plot. Data is df. X is the math score with respect to, and then y is, this is a reading and this is a writing, and then finally okay, pheromones, and then the color is, I'd like to pass the blue one. So this is with respect to the math score versus reading and the writings, and then the plot is, the title of this particular plot is the math score versus writing score, X level. Okay, math score plot dot y level writing score, and plot dot so. And the next is plot dot figure fig size, and the 12 6 plot dots scatter plots, which is nothing, and then I have to pass it the data. No, sorry, scatter plot data is the tf. X is the math score, and then the y is the total score. Let's pass this one. Total score, color is blue, plot or title with respect to math score versus total score, not x11 math score, plot at y level writing, score rounded so. And then finally print, sorry, plot dot figure fixed size with respect to 12.6 SLS dot scatter plot, and then data is a df, x is nothing, x is the math score, and then the y should be average, and then the color is green. Plot dot title with respect to math score versus average score, it should be average, and plot dot x label with respect to math score, and column dot y label with respect to average score, and plot dot show. So it's completely indicating that there is some amount of the relationship between reading score and math scores. Also the math score versus writing score. So the x-axis is a math score and y-axis is a writing score. So there is also some amount of the relationship between x and then y. And another plot is a rig plot. So instance scatters, I am just only passing here the rig plot. So rig plot. So this is all with respect to the rig plot. We can see here there is a relationship between the reading score and the math scores, and then the second plot is also it will be indicating the relationship between the math score and then writing scores. Yes. So the next one is the multivariate analysis for the multiple categorical features. So in this particular case I am going to take the multiple features. So in this particular case I have a features. I will take the math score, reading score and the writing scores. So the same things I will do. Plot dot figure peak size 12.6 plot dots and scatter plots. Data is df, and then the x-axis I am passing the math score, and then the y-axis is the reading score, and I am passing the hue parameter. The hue parameter I am going to map the gender. Plot dot title with respect to math score versus reading score versus gender, and plot dot x level is nothing, x level is the math score, and y level is nothing, this is the reading score, and plot dot. So this is with respect to gender, and then this another, and it also do the with respect to race ethnicity. So in this particular case plot dot figure peak size 12:6 plots, SNS, which is the scatter plot. Scatter plots passing the data, which is the DF, and then this is with respect to data is the DF, X is the math score, and then the Y is the reading score, and then the parameters I am passing, which is nothing, the race, intensity, and plot dot. This is a comparing between two. We need to pass the one more parameters. Yes, okay, fine. And then plot dot titles each math score versus reading score versus race intensity, and then finally plot dot X label is nothing, math score, and plot dot Y label is nothing, reading score, and plot dot. So the next one is a parental level of education. So the plot dot figures fixed size 12:6, and plot dot, which is the next one is scatters, and this is with respect to the data is nothing, df of X is math score and Y is reading scores, and then finally I am passing the parameter is my parental level of education, and title is math score versus reading score versus parental level of education. Plot dot X label is the math score, and finally plot is the Y label equal to reading score, and plot dot. So print, and then the next one is what is this, lunch. Plot dot figure fixed size 12:6 SNS scatter plot, and the data is the DF X level. I am passing the math score, and then the Y levels I am passing the reading score, and then the parameters is the lunch. Plot dot title of this math score versus reading score versus lunch. Plot dot X label, and then the next one is the with respect to test preparation. Plot dot figures fixed sized with respect to 12:6. Plots SNS scatter plots, and with respect to scatter plots I have a data is the df, x is the math score, and then the y is the reading score, and then the he parameter I am passing with respect to the test preparation course. And finally my title of this particular plot is math scores versus reading scores versus test preparation course, and plot dot x level is nothing, so this is a math score, and the y level is nothing, y level with respect to reading score, and plot dot so that's all. And here is also with respect to the group A is the indicating blue, group C is indicating orange, group A indicating A, group B is indicating red, and group E is indicating purple. So there is a relationship between the reading score with respect to writing score. So and then the next is I am going to just take the copy. I will make copy and paste over there, and I am only changing here the one which is a reading score. I have to replace to the writing score. Writing score I will make copy, paste, paste, paste. Here I need to replace paste, copy, paste. No, the math score is fine. Sorry, I do not want to change this. The math score is X level is okay. I need to change the reading scores. This is with respect to writing score, and then writing. Here is a writing, and this is also math score is fine. I need to change this one with respect to writing score and writing scores. The reading score I don't want to. Here I need to change and math score, writings with respect to math score, writing, math score. This is writings. We don't want to checking writings. This is fine with the math score, and this is the writing scores. Writing, and here writing scores, and here is the math score. So here is also the relationship between the math score and writing score. The x-axis is indicating the math scores and then y-axis is indicating writing scores. And with respect to male and females, female is indicating the blue point and then the male is indicating the orange points. So these are all. So the next plot is a peer plot where I am going to plot the all the features. So the SNS peer plot with respect to DF, and then I have to be passing the one parameters. The hue parameter I need to pass, which is nothing, gender. It will take some amount of times because with help of the peer plot we can able to plot the all the numerical feature and compare each one feature. So we can say there is a relationship between each others. And then also with respect to the distributions is also, this is a follow the Gaussian distribution. Yes, there is a some amount of the outlier, but it's fine. Alright, so the next one is a which is the chi-square test.